certain things can be. Keeping it real. If you're supposed to find a man right now, Queenie, I don't know how to go. But you need to tap it more, you know, look good. At times you tap it now, think about your grandkids them. Think about your grandkids them. What your grandkids them say, oh, then see them grandmother. Your grandmother, you know, Queenie. Your grandmother. How then see them grandmother on the internet a carry on and over there. Think about your grandkids them, Queenie, man. Come on, man. Think about them. Okay. Look good. People don't want Queenie on them platform again. People don't want Queenie on them platform because Queenie damage our brand. All of them used to come on the internet. Turn around and damage them brand. So I tell them more. Again, I'm not going to be like everybody and go and chat your business and say, but I'm not telling a lie on you. A long time I know where I go on. Long time you complain about doing it. Long time. Queenie complain about doing it. A long time Queenie. Let me tell you something. I'm telling you this. Facts. A long time do you get Queenie Bunny, yeah? A long time do it. I sleep up on Queenie. Long time. From before Dewey and Queenie get married. Dewey I go a road. Go Queenie. Long time, and I just know. After days Dewey disappear and gone. And Queenie didn't know about it. Queenie know about what Dewey do a long time. A long time Queenie did a Jamaican house a ball. Right? And I just know. I mean, I say much more. Long time, Queenie sit down in the house, a ball over Dewey. A long time Dewey, I go to the road, and I do it. You're wicked too, because you don't have no sense. And all of the women they will do it. A long time Dewey, I take a Queenie money. And I can't go get the young girl out the road. Long time, I just know. Enough time Queenie Dewey take money from Queenie. And can't go get the girl out the road, and I just know. A long time from before they get married. And Queenie, they are Jamaica know about it. You understand? And I just know them, and I just know the way I do it. So when you do it, when the way I come chat off him out and I come say, no boy, Queenie are this and Queenie are that and that and you know this. A long time. But I blame Queenie for no say, from before they get married, do you go to the road, go give your body out the road, and you still go down the road with him. Because you give the benefit I don't and things say me that change. I'm telling you something, you can't change a dog from a dog as what it is. Any yard with dog name, I guess them are going to steal. You can't change a dog. Long time. Long time do you go to road, go give your body for Queenie. Long, and I just know. Long time. I'm not going to say much. But a long time I do it. One time do it left. Right? When you do it, you know, if you disrespect the woman at the end of the day, because she do fear, she do hold it fear. She do hold it fear. Because when I time do it left, and Queenie can't find do it. When Queenie realized Queenie do it, they a girl yard. And Queenie sit down in the house. Take away Queenie money and sit down and go about in business. Tell him to come say a lie. And Queenie know about it. So when Queenie go ball now and a carry on and all that, a long time this a go on and I just know. Eh? Can you imagine you come from England with your money and boy take your money and gone? Eh? Boy make you lock up in a house. Everything we do we want to ride go Queenie give to him. If do we want side girl out the road didn't get it. You understand? Anything do we want, do we get it. You feel me? But at least you are born a woman, you could have born a woman different still. And if you are born a woman, you could have born a woman, with somebody better. You could have go sleep with somebody better out there because none of the girls will do sleep without a road. Both do and them don't make one. All of the women will do is sleep with people. You ever put Dewey and them together, none of them no make one. And one big woman fly down from foreign, come to Jamaica and see you, and get a pum pum and turn your life around. Take you out of poverty. Take you out of the daycare center where you have diaper run. You have diaper one change and can't change. And then at the same time you turn around and you make your woman look like some boy. She's the worst on the planet of the earth when at the end of the day. And then Queen never look at dirty ways about herself to love come out about my husband. Let me vent about my husband. And it's my husband. So I'm gonna defend. You have to tap it. You must stop it and stop the hypocritical to people. You have to stop it. I am a co-worker, that's why I tell you the truth. You have to tap it. Stop cry wolf and stop be so unfair to the people. Like say boy, people are telling nothing wrong. A long time and the boy had a problem. Because for the first time the boy left. What I go and sis? For the first time Dewey left and go a little young girl and you couldn't find him, you should have known, so yo, you should have married. And you did have the opportunity where you didn't have to marry, but you still go along with it because you were to the moment. Then you go to the finishing line and you bring your boy go to England. And the boy still a do it dirty sitting. No, I feel like so do it just a get Queenie bun since he go to England. I found Jamaica, girl a style Queenie in a party. And girl in a party to riding and girl up on Queenie style. And I see him, love you too sis. And at the same time Queenie I take the pound and I give to girl. I take Queenie money go buy weed, I give to other girl. When you hear my chat of him out, however it is, all of the proof them is there. And our people lie, but you know what happened? When you see a man get up and do certain thing to a woman at the end of the day, although we know that Queen is very vulgar and very disrespectful at times, just be that because it's who know it, who know the truth, can talk about it. But Queen deserve what she get right now because guess what happened? She still have an opportunity to left the boy. Eh? You run down young boy, you run down maga boy. You run down hood, you understand? You complain and say, okay, the boy nah lick the problem something there. And you still a spend pound in the boy see how you. You still can go to England. You still open door for him. You still feed him family. You still give money if he can take care of you, them see how you. And I'm take your money, right? And I take care of that girl on the road. Oh, you got to take money from your yard and go give to careless girl out the road where they're on the same level as you. How could you take money from your woman? A woman provide for you as like a job. You don't work. And you take money and you give to careless young girl out the road and buy them weed. Eh? A book place for them for going and all that, live life. No, man, you want to keep. You tell you, it's a worthless example, man. Of someone else could not say worthless scammer boy. Is that disgrace to say? You feel me, I say? Because as I say, if I was a stranger and don't know nothing about you and your woman relationship, we could have talked about it. We could have said nothing about it. But me know about it. Me know about it. Deep, me know about it. Deep enough me know about it. Me know a whole fight and all of that. But when I see how you disrespect the woman, how you sleep with all of them, go kill his butter years one day, a England, this I wanna, let me tell you something. You say any given day, them gala, this I say them a drag in a courthouse for child support. Hey, dog, I go on man, keep it up. Go on after yes. Go on walk and sleep all over the place and things that we are doing. Good thing. And feel say she hurt herself. Because then gala, let me tell you something. The worst thing you can do, I breed one then gala England or Canada. And you don't have money to get them and drag in a court for child support. Here, keep it up. You keep it up. Eh? You keep it up, man, and feel say there's a great job you do and all that. Keep it up. You're then alright, you're then a foreign man. Because if jailhouse, if you never go to jailhouse before, you know me seeing a foreign. Hmm? Yeah, you know I'm going to be at Home Depot. Eh? No, sis, me tell you something. This is some little young boy. They don't have ambition, man. They don't want nothing in a life. They don't want nothing in a life. Because a big old woman come pick you up and turn you in a somebody, make you can fly up and play and you can have good clothes to wear. You can change your underpants. Eh? You have one underpants for the longest while your friend them now buy you none. Eh? Take you from down and Mr. Chin underpants and downtown and all that. And you still get up with it. And you decide, say, yo, I go out. I go do this because I reach and don't have a damn 9-to-5 job. Instead of you humble yourself and say, all right, let me turn on the woman and go and build myself and I can't support my life. you sit down and take 5 years and I give them when I mean no good. And you walk and I breed this one. Eh? You breed this one and you sleep with this one. This one, this and you tell this one everything about your life. And then you come on and talk about you hold out long time. What you hold out? What are you holding out long time? You never had nothing to hold out. What you hold out? You working? You have a car? You live somewhere, you have a bed? Eh? You can buy your own shoes. What you hold out? Explain to me and tell me what you hold out. Let me tell you something. Man only can talk one time them a man and can provide for themselves. Provide for themselves. Have $1 saved and you can generate a work. And that's how you can. You're not he's not even a man. He's a bad example of a man. With not no ambition. You don't have a, so you're not supposed to come on and talk and carry on like some boy. The woman is the worst thing. Me know she turn already her dirty ways how she stay. You know, so she was a shoplifter from before. You know all the way you know about her, know what she talked before. So you know who you married to and who you was dating. You know who Queenie was. You understand? So you stay them and carry and make a little dirty friend them and lead you and make. You do it. Stay there and make the sneakers and the clothes them and the new socks them and the new bleaching cream get to you and feel like say you reach here. You soon know where reach is. And you don't really want, to find yourself in a situation where you're back at Jamaica, you know. You have a court update, sis? More I hear about the court update. What go on, the thing drop? What go on, sis? No I hear about the court update. What go on? Does the thing drop? The tour is sweet, you know, man. The tour is sweet. More I hear what go on, you know. You understand? I and Laura do him a smoke a little dirty weed when no make no sense. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you this. You see when you're a young boy and you find one big man where I do for you. Call me when you're done. Yes, sis, me I call you. Come on, I hear the Tory bad. When I love people business, the Tory are big. Let me tell you, you see when you're a young boy and you find one big man. What can I do for you? Hold on upon them. I remember some of them big women, you know. Right? When they reach up at a certain age, you know, remember so them they at a level right now, where anything goes to them, you know. Then they're on borrow time now, so when they decide say them about take care of you and do for you and whatever it is, you hold on upon them because you know must see a bank again and you know must get the opportunity again. You just go on service. If you have to go and let the clip, you go and let the clip. You understand? Make sure so they good, make sure so they eat. Make sure so they eat. Make sure say them take their medication if they need to. Make sure say you rub them foot. Make sure say them alright because you're now hold on for another bank again. You understand? Especially when you're a young boy in a work. Because all the thing do we have to do is just buy bleaching cream to Radigo. I don't have to do we can cook. Do it ever look like he can boil egg? Do it look like he my kind of person who boil egg, boil egg, take you put it in the fridge and go and boil it back again. I'm going to tell you the truth. It's a bad example, man. It's a disgrace as a young boy. And I don't like it. But as I say, never call my sister now because bigger Tory are going. Me want to feel you are going. Bigger Tory are going, I know. Bigger Tory. Yes, and that's my sister. Yeah, that's my sister. I call her now because, you know, I love family business, I love my business. But only thing I can say to Queenie, love it alone. Stop come on and disgrace yourself. Leave the way alone and throw the way in a garbage. Because that's exactly where you belong. Right now on garbage heap. Show him to the young girl and make them run up and down with him. Make them do what they want to do with him. Make the way don't be your problem anymore. Find one divorce and divorce the way. Divorce him. Because the longer you keep him, the more problem it is. Anyway, I'm out here.